to day 2 of Veda and Sippin with Me and I.
Your GPS to black-owned spirits.
So the drink for today will be the Tequila Sunrise. So as you all know, if this is your first time catching this video, then you'll know that we're participating in Veda, which means vlogging every day of August. So every day we have chosen to spotlight a black-owned brand.
And so for this spotlight, we're gonna be making your favorite cocktails for the next 31 days. Yesterday, or day 1, we did old fashioned. Today, she said we're gonna be doing the classic tequila, definitely one of my favorite drinks in the club, a tequila sunrise. And the base we're gonna be using today is Los Hermanos, black-owned company out of DC. We will be doing a full video. Actually, I think we have a good video. We just gotta upload it. So the full review on this product will be coming soon. But today we'll be making tequila sunrise using this tequila, which is Los Hermanos. Check us out for the rest of the month. We're gonna be doing your favorite cocktails, whether it be old fashioned, tequila sunrise, a daiquiri, whatever drink that you like. We will be making it this month. So we got 31 drinks, and if you got a drink that you want us to spotlight or to make,
let us know.
Put it in the comments below. But without further ado, guys, we said we're not gonna make these intros long. We're gonna get straight to the mixing video. Make sure you follow us on Instagram at Sippin with Me 9. Let's get into the video.
Okay guys, so I have completed this beautiful,
good job, baby.
This beautiful tequila sunrise.
What's in it, baby?
I have grenadine. I have
Los Hermanos,
orange juice, and that's it. It was that simple, quick and easy. So it's time for a taste test. I'm not gonna mix it.
What the thing hitting on though, baby? What the thing hitting on?
Look.
Let me see.
Okay, I'm not firm. Watch. Seriously? That's not how you drink a drink. Look.
Y'all know I love me some tequila sunrise. Yo, this is a good tequila. Again, we're giving y'all black options. Los Hermanos. You ain't got to drink Julio and Quavo and Don, all these other names, and Casamigos. We got our own Black Amigos. We got Black Amigos. Black Amigo, guys, right here. Los Hermanos, black owned.
Y'all, this
tastes amazing, man. Shout out to all the brothers.
Let us recreate your drink. Let us recreate your drink.
And hopefully we should be meeting them soon. Shout out to Dante. But that's it, guys. Man, day 2, me in the books.
We did it.
Look out for day 3. Probably do another back-to-back tequila. But we'll see, guys. So that's it. I hope y'all like this video.
No, we hope you love this video.
Oh, you gonna do? I hope you like this drink. I hope y'all like this drink.
No, we hope you love this drink.
Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to this channel. Hit that notification bell, that bing, so you stay notified whenever we drop new content, guys. We will be dropping heat all month long in the month of August, guys, including interviews. We got lots of planned. We'll be hitting the road, meeting some of these brands in person, like the Nashville and the other places, guys. So be on the lookout for that. And again, make sure you follow us on Instagram, Sippin with Me and I. Subscribe to our main channel. Me tell my main channel.
Don't forget about that. It is Me and I.
That's the main baby.
That is Me and I. Don't forget about me.
And if y'all want to buy some of this merch, guys, we got the single, the gray Sippin with Me and I cup joints. We got the double glass joints. We got the meters, the bar shirt. Me tell the website, baby.
It is shopmeteandi. Going across the screen, it is shopmeteandi.com.
And that's it. We love y'all. Yeah. Thank y'all so much for rocking with us, guys. Make sure please share this out, guys. All our channels about is showing love to black-owned brands, giving you black options, guys, to your favorite drinks. You're gonna have the same favorite drink that you like, just with a little blackness in it, guys. We love y'all. See y'all tomorrow.